Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yorkville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Homer Glen, Yorkville, Plano, Lisle, Darien, Montgomery, Warrenville, Boulder Hill, and Bristol. This includes Aurora University, Benedictine University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe